Uncovering your unique digital business niche. Hey, sis! Welcome back to the Digital Mompreneur, the space where we help women, especially over 40, build real digital businesses without losing their values or their voice. Today, we're talking about a topic that can change the entire direction of your hustle: uncovering your unique digital business niche. The power of niche. One of the biggest mistakes we make as women stepping into the digital world is trying to serve everyone. But guess what? You are not for everyone, and that's a good thing. Your niche is your superpower. It helps you stand out in a crowded online space. It tells your audience, hey sis, I see you, I understand you, and I built this just for you. Think about this. Would you rather walk into a shop that sells everything under the sun, or one that specializes in just what you need, like skincare for melanin-rich skin, or business coaching for moms over 40? How to uncover your unique niche. Now, let's talk about how to actually find your niche, especially as an African woman, as a mom, as someone who has lived life. Here's a simple 3-step guide I use with my clients. 1. Look at your story. What have you been through that could help someone else? Maybe you've overcome burnout. Maybe you've raised kids while building a business. Maybe you've mastered the art of digital selling in South Africa or Zimbabwe or Kenya. 2. List your passions and skills. What do you love talking about? What do people always ask you for help with? Could be natural hair care, budgeting for moms, teaching teens to cook, or coaching other women to start digital shops. 3. Listen to the need. Go where your people are: Facebook groups, WhatsApp chats, market stalls, and listen to what they complain about. That's where your digital niche lives. And remember, even if someone else is already doing it, they are not you. Your voice, your style, your experiences make your offering unique. Examples from our continent. Let me give you real-life African-inspired examples. A Ugandan mom who teaches other moms how to create digital lesson plans for homeschooling. A South African woman over 40 selling her custom natural body butters via WhatsApp catalogs. A Nigerian auntie teaching younger women how to price their digital services with confidence. What they all have in common? They didn't copy big influencers. They leaned into their life experiences and solved real problems in their communities. So, sis, if you've been stuck wondering, what can I do online? Start by asking, what has life taught me? What do I love doing? And who do I want to serve? Your niche is waiting, and it's powerful because it's yours. Drop in the comments what you think your digital niche might be, or just say, I'm ready to discover mine. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real talk on building a digital business as a purpose-driven mompreneur. You've got this. Let's build businesses that bless our homes and our continent, one woman at a time.